In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an attendance sheet in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll have a clean, reliable checklist you can use for a class, a team, or any group you manage. First, open Google Sheets and go to the spreadsheet you want to use. This can be a new blank sheet or an existing file where you're organizing your roster. Make sure you're on a clear tab so everything is easy to find later. Next, set up a place for names. Click into the first column and type Name in the header cell. Beneath that, enter the names of the people you're tracking. Keeping all names in a single column helps you stay organized and ensures the layout works nicely when we add checkboxes. If you have a long list, it's fine to paste it in. Just make sure there are no empty rows in between. Now, create your weekday headers. In the top row, to the right of Name, type Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, each in its own column. This sets up a simple weekly grid. If your schedule is different, you can still use this same approach. Just label those columns with the days you need. With the structure in place, it's time to prepare the area for attendance. Highlight the cells where you want to record presence or absence. A quick way to think about it is to select the rectangle of cells that sits under Monday through Friday and lines up across from every name. Selecting the full range at once will let you add checkboxes in bulk. Look to the menu bar at the top of Google Sheets and click Insert. This menu collects tools for adding interactive elements to your sheet. From that Insert menu, choose Checkbox. Instantly, each selected cell becomes a checkbox. Checked can mean present, and unchecked can mean absent, simple and visual. You can click anywhere inside a checkbox to toggle it, and you can undo if you make a mistake. From here, your sheet is ready to use. As you go through the week, mark attendance by checking the boxes that apply. If you prefer, you can decide that a blank cell means not yet taken and unchecked means absent, as long as you keep it consistent. Later on, you can enhance this setup with formatting, filters, or summaries if you want additional insights. But this basic grid is all you need to start tracking immediately. That's it. Your attendance sheet is built and ready. Save your work, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.